I'm Christina Smekens, and thanks for joining me for the Teach Writing PD mini-series. Now, in Episode 3, I want to focus specifically on the mini-lesson skills that we're to teach within informative writing units. Depending on your state standards, you may be teaching informative, explanatory, or expository writing. Regardless of the terminology, this type of writing focuses on teaching the reader about a topic or text. Common examples of this include writing summaries that highlight only the big ideas and most important information, explanations that answer specific questions, letters that communicate information to an individual, organization, or business, procedural or process writing that describes a sequenced set of information, research that centers on information gleaned from multiple sources, essays that outline a topic's ideas, problems, solutions, causes, and/or effects, analyses that dive deeply into a specific facet of a text, providing a thorough dissection of it, and compare-contrast writing that presents comparable information about two or more topics or texts.